For more than 100 years, Reserve Marines have gone into harm's way to protect our great nation by overcoming obstacles and winning battles. Throughout this pandemic, Marines continue to train while assessing risk in order to remain our nation's expeditionary force in readiness. Always faithful, Reserve Marines continue to go. Engaged leaders prepared their units for the next fight. Regardless of the mission or conditions, Reserve Marines will always find a way to win. We are a threat-based organization. The greatest threat is not a microscopic enemy, but a force untrained and incapable of answering the nation's call. Every Marine should feel a sense of pride and confidence in what they have accomplished for our Corps and our nation. Small unit leaders confronted new obstacles head-on to successfully prepare tens of thousands of Reserve Marines to safely execute training. Through dynamic planning and disciplined risk mitigation, Marines accomplish hard, realistic training in the face of our current conditions. Risk mitigation is continuous. Through training smartly executed, Reserve Marines will continue to set the example in their units and communities by remaining faithful and keeping their honor clean.